know he ignored. Oh, I thought that was him. I was about to start screaming so long. Follow the NICU. Follow the NICU. Where I get a rocket launcher from? I'm about
You
to.
got one. Now let's go.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go kill that dude. I ain't go fake. We're gonna blow him up. I ain't go fake. Oh yeah! Bam! Ah! Oh! Y'all all done.
There's a glitch if you become the monster, you actually get to have the rocket launcher. It's gotta be like in the same round. So if the person
how do you get a rocket launcher?
Oh, you have to stay survive.
Come on, please, please. No,
That is, bro. Pop me. Oh, bro.
That's my hiding spot. That's my hiding spot.
Come on, let's go. We're always trying to.
I was.
I never.
Hey, where's...
Whip it, whip it, whip it.
Guys, follow
whip
me.
it.
Guys, follow me. I know where to go.
What the hell?
Come here.
Yeah.
Diddy party.
Oh my god.
No, you're hiding in the bathroom.
What would you like to order, bro? What would you like to order?
Keep it open.
Such your ugly self, pasty chromosome, no home.
Let's go. I won.
Yo, nobody come down. Nobody come in here. Nobody come in here.
It's
Come
Poppy
on,
Pants. Poppy Pants is the next killer.
Are you sure?
Yes, look, Poppy.
Oh, grenade!
Oh my gosh.
What the bro? Everybody
crazy.
dies.
Yo, can you help me? I need to pick something.
Pure chaos happening. Pure chaos. Pure chaos. Pure chaos.
Somebody join us.
Guys, vote me as killer.
No.
I'm Dick Dick. Stuck in your mouth, Digger.
Who said that?
Next one.
Who said that?
I'm Dick Dick Nigger. That's my name.
What's up, buddy?